Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kits for January 2024. Kind of crazy that we are already there, but that's where we're at. For this month, I'm moving back into a regular standard vertical setup. It's the B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. You'll have already seen it in my planner stack and stuff by the time you get to this. But I'm excited to move back into that kind of more standard kit setup. There's 4 weeks primarily in January for this year, so I'm going to talk through those 4 kits. The first one is January 1st through the 7th, so that's New Year's, and I'm planning to use this kit from Planner Problem. This is the New Year's Eve 2017 kit. Obviously not 2017, but I think it's super cute and fun. I like the bits of pink mixed in with all the black and gold, and I think I have a lot of extras in my stash that are going to go really well with this for things like bottom washi and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to use this one. The second week is January 8th through the 14th, and for that week I'm going to go to kind of like a standard standby. I love using Lovely Planner blog kits. They work really well for me and the things that I need. So this one I believe is called Cute Winter. It's super fun. Again, pops of pink mixed in there, lots of blue, which I definitely associate January with blue. So I think it turns out really cute and fun, and it should be really fun to use this kit. The third week is January 15th through the 21st, and for that week I'm going to use leftovers actually. This is a ultimate kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Cinderella 2, which I have used in a previous spread in 2022 maybe. But I want to use it again because I still have a lot left, and again, January is very blue in my mind. This is very blue, lots of kind of like snowy wintry vibes, so it should be good. I have 3 full boxes here. Some functionals, these washi strips, which add up to being boxes, even if they're not full box size, a bunch of functional boxes, more functional stuff, 2 more full boxes, and some functionals. And then this is the like bottom washi height box. So it should be a pretty good set of stuff for me to use. I think I can definitely get my weekly planning done with this. So I'm excited to try that out, see how it goes. And then the last full week of January is January 22nd through the 28th. And for that week, I'm going to use this sticker book by Planners Anonymous by Craftsmith. I got it at Michael's a while back. I think it's called Reading or something like that. But it's super cute and fun. And I actually am just going to use this stuff in the second half. So the first half has this kind of like multi-color way with lots of pinks and greens and blues, stuff like that. I'm actually just gonna focus on the second half that's blue and green because it feels very good for winter vibes. So I have some functionals here, lots of washi strips, more functional stuff, some larger boxes. These are kind of clear deco kinds of things. Quarter box size with gold foiling, some more functional kinds of stuff, sidebar stuff. And then I have a bunch of full boxes and things like that here. Some labels, headers, stuff like that. And that is it. But that should pretty well cover my week. It's going to be kind of a weird week because I have some work stuff going on. Oops, I have some scrippy scraps. But it should be pretty good. So that's my plan for January, is to use these 4 kits. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using in January, or let me know which of these kits you're most excited to see me use in January down below, or just leave some sort of New Year emoji to say hi. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I'll show in progress and finished spreads with all of these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.